Kishem shenechnas lebris kanikas l'Torah l'chupa l'maasim tovim. We bless the kid just like he entered the bris, so too he should advance, he should proceed to fulfill other mitzvahs, Torah, chupa, maasim tovim, but we say kishem, just like, and that seems that we're comparing the way this mitzvah was performed to the performance of other mitzvahs. So in Parshas Tazria, we are commanded to do a bris milah. We say this bracha every single time in the bris. What does it really mean? In Toichei Chas Chaim he explains, when one goes to a bris, he looks around, he sees that the father made sure to find the best moel. Expert number one. Look around, you see great food. No saving in the expenses there. However, when it comes to sending the kids to learn Torah, sometimes the father starts making calculations. Don't have to go to the most expensive, the best place necessarily. When do you start counting the money again? When it's time to go to Shidduchim. Got to know exactly how much the father of the bride makes. Got to really count well how much he makes. So we bless Geshem Shenechnas Lebris, just like here in the bris. No one was concerned with the expenses. It was all out. Behidu, beautifying the mitzvahs. So too, the father and the son should continue to do other mitzvahs. Torah, chupa, maasim tovim. Not to think about the money, just to think about fulfilling the mitzvahs in the most beautiful way possible.